know, and I don't know. Oh, da 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 da. And I was working in the streets of Amber. I was freezing, almost late December, but I was stumbling, got a few too many. And take a fright, someone popping up from the night. This is morning, do you have a light? I'm sorry I'm not full mind and glassy eyes, and please ignore my crooked smile. I just came out of the river band. You should go and have fun. And I was working down along the Alpe. It was late, almost around 12. I was thinking I should get a jacket. Suddenly, smoke's the only thing that I can see. A tall figure coming towards me. I'm sorry I'm unfolded, the smell of fish. We are not grilling here out on the beach. And it's comforting to have a drink. You should join and grab a beer. And I was working out in Schanzenstrasse, down to hit, and I grab a glass, and then I feel a flash of pain, a flaring in my feet. Then I see three young fellas stand in front of me, while I say something I can't get, maybe asking for a cigarette. I'm sorry, man, if I stomped your feet. I tried to drag my drums across the street. We're gonna play tonight and had the knust. You should come, hast du Lust? Smile was a miracle in my world of confusion. Oh, I fell in an instant, took but moments to see that she was all I need. Shining like noonday sun, to bring some light when this world didn't have none. Oh, I fell in an instant, took but moments to see that she was all I need. Oh, 'cause I fell in an instant. Took but moments to see that she was all I need. Yes, she was all I need. That smile was a miracle.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-da-da-da. Oh, today I am time traveling.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I'm time traveling. So today I am time traveling. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-da-da-da. Oh, today I am time traveling. Staring out the window on a cloudy morning, trying to lick our wounds while the tea is warming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around and I never run the rail. This week has been a mess, but I'm gonna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna play the way for a comeback. We only need some time, and I promise you that. I promise you that. I promise you that. I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't be today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on. So cry if you like the drops lost in the ocean. Drifters following the streams in motion. Riders of the night with no destination. Don't ever know the name of our future station. We are lost romantics in a world that's frozen. We gonna be the heroes of our own novel. We just need some time. Oh, I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't be today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on. So cry if you want to cry. Small rainbows will fill your eyes. You cry if you want to cry. 'Cause time will be on your side. Don't you worry, baby. All those days we spent together. Oh, the fire you're giving up. All the times the spark has struck. We can kiss goodbye to those wondrous stunning nights. All the laughter we will never have. All the sunset we won't catch. Oh no. And you will drop a tear every time I'm coming near you. You will miss the times you decide to leave behind. Yeah, I will drop a tear every time I see you near me. But please don't change your mind. If you won't say goodbye. Yeah, don't think that I am trying to say I give a damn. Maybe you were always right. After love, it's time for a fight. What's the point in all that kissing? I don't think that I will miss him. You're just gonna say goodbye to the best moments in our life. And you will drop a tear every time I'm coming near you. And you will miss the times you decide to leave behind. Yeah, I will drop a tear every time I see you near me. But please don't change your mind. If you won't say goodbye. Every time I pass you by, you live this last goodbye. Every time I see you near, I will drop a little tear.
Wake up slowly, stealing softly. Let the looming torment still to break of day. All you weeping feeble, easy. When you see the stuff feeling you swore. Wait for the morning flood. Wait till the glory comes. Wait for the morning. Wake up boldly, firmly walking. Any passing vice or crutch to still the pain. All you drinking, feeble, easy. As you see her sinking from shore. So wait for the morning flood. Wait till the glory comes. Wait for the morning. Young man in a warring say how the story goes. Just wait for the morning. Oh, oh.
Let's go to side. Let's stay home and play. I got so many funny games we could do today, and we can compare inside our bed. Stay under the covers, make this long night last. And I love to play this case with you. A little set, I'll play your essays strictly too. I know the hours of the week we'll be playing hide and seek, knowing in the end I'll find you. We will do it all again. I'll be counting out to 10, thinking that I cannot see you. And look at the rain That's so enticing. They got a plan when you get to play the cake, and they play the icing. And I love to play these games with you. The number of players is strictly two. Softly we would be playing hide and seek, knowing I'm the hand I follow. You can be my patient and I bring some medication. They can give you a massage if you want. Oh, 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 oh. I never knew when today could be wrong until I found you into the store. I never knew when the night could be sweet until you swept me up from my feet down. The rain sings, the cup smiles. Someone like you. So every day when the alarm blows my ears, I see you slipping on the bars and clears, and every time everything seems to go wrong. You know your voice sounds just like a song. Smiles, it finds me blue with stars. The car got a flat tire, but riding shotgun eyes, someone like you. Someone like you takes something bad, give it a spin and turn it on its head. Someone like you, it's worth like gold. After they made you, they simply broke the mold. The racing sound that crops my head. It finds me but with style. The car got a flat tire, but riding a shotgun. And someone like you.
This world, it's so unkind. One day you're king, the next you're crucified. What good is truth without love? What good are we if just flesh and blood? This world, it's so cruel. You think you won the game and they've gone and changed the rules. But maybe I'm just a fool to believe there's something beautiful inside of you and me. each day that goes by, oh, I watch evil rise, and it's getting harder to find where beauty belongs. This world, it's so dark, it loves to stomp the fire out of every broken heart. But if I refuse to let this flame in me die, oh, I can light the world up, one spark at a time.